Easily mounts to most residential playsets. 16 in reinforced plastic flag pole for added durability. Skull and bone graphic on black canvas-like material. One-piece flag kit includes a mount to attach to your swing set with the provided hardware and assembly manual. Meets and/or exceeds American Society of Testing Materials, ASTM, safety standards for residential use only. Top reviews from the United States. Higher quality than I expected. Initially, I was afraid this was going to fall apart after very little use, but it's been on the outdoor play set area for almost a year now and shows no signs of wear or fading. I do wish the design were double-sided, but it doesn't bother the kids.